a very common saying that I always heard was, don't boil the ocean. And
Hmm.
that's when talking about the scope of data that's usually put in place for a data program. And the reason why a lot of chief data officers used to say that is because, one, they couldn't hire enough people, there weren't enough resources. So, in order to show value, they wanted to limit the number of either critical data elements or limit the actual business processes that would be covered under a program or a project. And by keeping it very small, it would be something that could be delivered within a manageable amount of time, and it also would be able to demonstrate that something could be completed. But another problem with that is by keeping the scope so small and so
Hmm.
limited, the effects and impact of that data being governed could not be seen on a larger scale. And therefore, many executives might not even see any value because it was done on such a small sliver of their data domain overall.
Right.
Um, so there are definitely some pros and cons to choosing a small and manageable scope. But at the end of the day, if data governance programs cannot demonstrate large, quick wins, then unfortunately, that leads to a lot of de-escalation in the prioritization of the program, reduction in the workforce, and that leads to a lot of regulatory and compliance risks if companies do not have a fully funded data governance program.